Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use CapCut templates on iPhone. So if you want to create viral videos quickly using ready-made edits, just follow along. First, open the CapCut app on your iPhone. After that, tap on the templates section at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll see a lot of trending and viral templates. Scroll and choose the template you like. Once you find one, tap Use Template. Next, select your photos or videos from Gallery and then tap on Next. CapCut will automatically apply the template style, effects, transition, and music for you. After that, you can preview the video and make small adjustments if needed. If everything looks good, tap Export and save the video to your iPhone. Then you can directly upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shortcuts. So that was how to use CapCut templates on iPhone easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.